bell just rang a short moment ago while I was out mowing the lawns, and it looks like I've got my greenhouse. Looking forward to putting that together. Something else for me to do today. Okay, just opened up the package. It's nice and light. It's only about 11 kilos. Yeah, let's get started. Well, this has been coming together quite easy. So we've only been at it for about maybe 10 minutes and we're halfway built. Let's see how the rest of it pans out. It's been about 15, maybe 20 minutes. It's all come together quite nicely. No, the big pole's not a part of it. All the brackets have come together. It's looking good. Let's get this cover on this and see what we can grow in here. Okay. We'll turn around, we've got the cover on. Quick piece of advice in relation to the cover: definitely open up the zip first. Just going to tidy it up, tie up some of the ties down below, and we're going to be set. Happy with my little present. All in all, it's a good little unit. Very happy with it. Really good for those that are renting. Rather easy to put together. It's lightweight. Not designed for what you would call a highly windy area, but yeah, over and all, it's a very good little unit. Anyway, see you on the next video. If you're wanting to inspire your kids with great healthy food, teach them where it comes from, grab yourself a greenhouse, mjbinspired.au.